guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day as always. Very excited. We're gonna get the MR2 Spyder out and about. The MR2 has some amazing wheels on it. I think they're called Super Leggero wheels. Let's look at them real quick. So if you come over here, here's my Toyota MR2 Spyder, year 2000. This is called a 3rd gen right here. We have beautiful Super Leggera staggered wheels on the MR2. These tires are from the year 2006. Super old. They are R888s, race car proxies R888, so R888, that's where you get that 888 by Toyo. We purchased some new ones. These are proxies R888Rs, racing. Toyos, again, these are brand new, 2023. We need to switch these out because these have dry rot, literally dry rot. You guys see that right there? It's crazy, super dangerous. So we're gonna switch these out today. I'm very excited. Once I get these switched out, we will then take the MR2 Spyder to an exhaust shop and we're gonna cut out this, listen to this, that clogged catalytic converter, and we'll run this to this. Hopefully that makes the car run well, and then I'll paint this again. I might unhook it and do it real quick, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna drive it there, if it'll be easier for them to just do it themselves. I might remove it. I would have to remove the exhaust right here. I think I might do that. I'm not sure if I'll remove it myself, go get it cut, or if I will bring the whole car there. I was thinking about bringing the whole car there, but I might just remove the exhaust just to have that. I think it might be easy just to remove the downpipe and then cut that, because you guys can hear that, right? You can hear that. That's that clogged catalytic converter. That's why the car's been running goofy, not good. And then with that, we'll be able to drive the car again. It should be running pretty well. It does have a new tune on it from Monkey Wrench Racing, but when I start the car with the PFC, it doesn't want to start. So I don't know if it's because it immediately clogs, if the timing's off or something, but on the stock 2ZZ ECU, runs well. So the mystery continues. I do have the ability to actually ship the car to Monkey Wrench Racing, and they will sort it out and fix it for me. So putting these new tires on, that might be a viable option. It is becoming winter time, so driving an MR2 Spyder, golly geez, so many miles back with R888s, and it only has a 6-speed but doesn't have cruise control, that might be a long drive. So we'll see. It would be fun though, and good memories. So I'm not sure if I'll do that or not do that. But let's go ahead and start by putting the car in the middle of the garage, lifting it up, removing these, and slapping on these new tires. This is like the first step to getting this thing going again. A good idea is warm up the car a little bit and then put the car on jack stands, remove these tires, and then in the same video remove that downpipe, is what it would be, a downpipe with the cat in there, and then take that to my exhaust shop, cut that ruined catalytic converter out of it, get rid of it, and then bring it back with the new tires and see if this makes the car run well, and then throw on the PFC Commander. Hopefully that is the case. That'd be amazing if that was the case. And then we go back to the MWR tune on here. That should be pretty good. Again, the main goal, the best thing I could probably ever do would be to take the car to MWR and run with the Apexi, or even sell the Apexi, give it to one of you guys, sell as a NA for one of you guys. The Apexi is so good with an NA 2ZZ, but the 2ZZ MR2 Spyder Turbo, the tune's always been mediocre. So, especially on the high cam. So let's do that. I think that's a great idea. I'll get this thing warmed up so those bolts come off simple. I'll show you guys how to do that. Throw everything in the Tundra and then head out. We'll get a lot of stuff done. This is gonna be a great video. I think I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna take the tires, get them mounted, but I still wanna get this thing running, like good, well. So, and it's that Cadillac converter is like 10, no wait, more, 2000, no, maybe 8 years old, long time. Also, I just know it's clogged. I know that was the issue. So that being said, we're gonna take these pretty much rotted out old tires. Look at this. I'm gonna show you, where's the one on here? One of these, this is insane right here. Look at that. So sketch. We're gonna take these, get these brand new ones mounted. Oh, I'm so excited. These are amazing wheels. They actually came off the turboed Lotus ELISE. When I sold my car, I kept these and put some stock Lotus ELISE wheels on mine when I sold it. But I was gonna remove that downpipe, but some of the bolts, you know, I was just thinking that I think it's 6 bolts, 5 or 6 bolts. I think it'd be so much easier just to bring it to them, and then they can just literally reach right in here with the hacksaw and then cut this right here and then cut it right here and then put a little 3-inch right there, slide it over, weld it on, be on our merry way. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully that works. So let's go get these tires mounted and get this thing on the road. All right, we're gonna switch it up to the Evo. I think I can fit the wheels and tires back here. We don't need, and they're brand new. I might be able to just set the ones right back here. Let's grab the Evo, go get those wheels and tires. Mission accomplished. $185. That's a lot. 4 tires dismounted, 4 tires mounted and then balanced. Right there. They're in my Evo 9. I don't know if that was a good idea. They're brand new. It's all brand new. And Les Schwab's is a place here. It's like a place in the Pacific Northwest. They also clean the tire or the wheels for me. That's really nice. They wash the wheels. Maybe they just hose them down, but hey, it's pretty nice. Off back to the garage. Let's head out to the garage and go mount these things, and then see if I might need a little more energy drink or something like that. But I may be able to do the exhaust too today, so that'd be really exciting. I do sure love this Evo though. Oh my god. So I'm a White Monster guy, but man, Blue Raspberry Prime Energy is the bee's knees. Man, I did want to say I appreciate you guys so much. Everywhere this car goes, I can't drive this car without getting like a thumbs up or I like your car. So really appreciate seeing you guys out there. Also, I do have a travel channel. It's called Mitch Elico. I appreciate all the messages. I had about 40 messages from you guys when I was in Europe saying to come visit. So I really appreciate the love. You guys are amazing. That being said, these wheels look awesome. What we're gonna do is clean them up just a little bit more. They did clean them, but I'm gonna clean them a little bit more. And then I love taking the stickers off. So we're gonna take the stickers off and then throw them on the car. I don't know if I have enough time today to make it to the exhaust shop. Again, my original idea was to take the exhaust here and just take the downpipe off and get it cut right here. But I decided, you know, if he just came in here with a hacksaw, I'll literally hack that off and hack that off. Super easy, and then just do that. I could probably do it myself. But yeah, then we should be going good again. These are amazing wheels. I love them. I think I'm gonna hold on forever. I think they're very aesthetic. They look so good. Our 4 wheels are mounted, new wheel and, well, not new wheel. These wheels are amazing. Just new tires on here. So that being said, they look absolutely perfect. I love them a lot. Wow, that is such a nice meat. Again, same tire profile. These are just, the newer version. So R888Rs from Toyo Proxy's absolutely hashtag race car tires. Should be good for another 10 years, hopefully. I don't drive this car at all, like barely. That being said, we're gonna lower the car, bring it back out, and then see if I can take it to the exhaust shop to get this cut out of it. Like I said 5 times in this video. If I can't, I've been saying this, if I can't get this thing to really run proper, I probably will ship it. I think it'd be amazing YouTube content, so I'll probably ship it to MWR, Monkey Wrench Racing, and I think they are in Michigan, that's where they are. And that would be fun to drive back. So let's do what I said, pull it back out. I'm so excited for this new tires on here. And then let's see if we can go get that exhaust fixed. Either this video or the next video. We'll see what we can do. Okay, very similar look, obviously, but man, honestly, I think I might be able to lower the front of the car a little bit. I gotta clean it. There's like a oil smudge on it, but oof, that is so good. Oh my gosh, Mitch, polish your headlights. I got it. There's a video of me making these absolutely amazing. The inside got hazy, so it's annoying. I'd have to move it off. But that looks so good. Now I won't die when I drive this. Very excited. Let's fire this thing up and back it out of the garage. Okay, car is warmed up. Sounds good. There we are. Look at that new meat. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Okay, now we won't die. I love it. Car's warmed up, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the exhaust video in today. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the exhaust in. So we'll do that on the next video. I know I've been saying this. I've been wanting to do this for a while. But what we'll do is we'll take this to the exhaust shop. I can now drive the car without dying because the tires are from 2006. I was in high school when those tires were on this car. That's insane. I don't know if you guys know that LOTUS ELISE that I had, amazing story of it. It had like 6,000 or 7,000 miles on it. I've been in a storage unit since 2012. That was an amazing story. I should have never sold that one. Speaking of, I'm not gonna make a video why I shouldn't have sold the CELICA either. I've been selling, I sold the EVORA, I sold the ELISE, I sold the CELICA. This car, I sold my Evo 10. This car is still absolutely amazing. I'm loving the Evo 9 MR. That was a good choice. Probably never gonna sell this thing. Never, can't do it. So that being said, let's take this thing to the exhaust shop, chop out this, for the 14th time, this clog catalytic converter, and shoot some flames out of this thing. I love this car, absolutely amazing. So happy. Okay guys, make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. Maybe a new car coming soon, maybe a GTR, maybe another CELICA, even though I said I wasn't gonna get one, I kind of want another one. That being said, I'm really happy with the Evo 9. A lot of people don't like the FRS, and a lot of people do like the FRS, so it's like a love-hate. But we're gonna put a lot of content on the FRS. We're gonna do what I said I was gonna do. That being said, like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com, and come back for some 2ZZ MR2 boosted goodness with no more catalytic converter. See you guys in the next one.